forging wings of steel naval aviation training in World War II. The skies above El Centro, California, roared with the symphony of engines as young pilots honed their skills. These were the men of the United States Navy, destined to take to the skies in defense of their nation. The year was 1943, and the world was engulfed in the fiery crucible of World War II. At training grounds like El Centro, a new breed of warrior was being forged, the naval aviator. These young men, often barely out of their teens, were tasked with mastering the art of aerial combat while operating from the decks of aircraft carriers. Training was rigorous, demanding unwavering focus and physical endurance. Pilots spent countless hours in the air practicing maneuvers that would become second nature in the heat of battle. The dive bombing technique, a critical tactic in the Pacific theater, required pilots to push their aircraft into a near-vertical dive, releasing their payload with pinpoint accuracy before executing a 135-degree inverted roll-out to evade enemy fire. The skies above El Centro bore witness to their courage, resilience, and unwavering commitment to becoming the best naval aviators in the world. Carriers on the horizon, naval power in the Pacific and beyond. The Pacific theater of World War II became a proving ground for naval aviation. Aircraft carriers, once considered a novelty, emerged as the decisive weapon of the war at sea. These floating fortresses, bristling with aircraft and manned by courageous sailors, dictated the pace and outcome of battles across the Pacific. The Battle of Midway showcased the strategic importance of naval aviation, where American dive bombers crippled 4 Japanese carriers, turning the tide of the war. The courage and skill of the naval aviators, coupled with the strategic deployment of their carriers, secured a decisive advantage for the Allies. The Korean War further solidified the importance of naval aviation, with carriers providing invaluable support in the mountainous terrain of the Korean Peninsula. The Korean War demonstrated that naval aviation was not simply a relic of World War II, but a vital component of American military might in the dawning atomic age. The Jet Age and the Cold War. A new era of naval aviation. The roar of propeller engines gave way to the thunderous shriek of jet turbines as the post-war era ushered in a new age of aviation. The development of jet aircraft, with their incredible speed and increased operational ceiling, revolutionized naval warfare. Carriers had to adapt to accommodate these technological marvels, leading to the angled flight deck, which allowed for simultaneous launch and recovery operations. The Cold War brought new challenges and heightened stakes, with naval aviation playing a crucial role in deterring the large-scale conflict. Carrier battle groups, armed with a nuclear-capable aircraft, became a visible and potent symbol of American military might. The Cuban Missile Crisis of 1962 showcased the importance of naval aviation in a nuclear world, with reconnaissance flights providing crucial photographic evidence of Soviet missile deployments in Cuba. The world held its breath as American and Soviet forces stood on the brink of nuclear war, and naval aviation played a key role in averting disaster. The future of naval aviation: innovation, automation, and the human element. As technology continues to advance at an unprecedented pace, naval aviation finds itself at a crossroads. The rise of unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs, has sparked debate about the future of manned aircraft. Some argue that UAVs will eventually replace traditional aircraft, while others maintain that the human element will always be essential in the complex and unpredictable realm of aerial warfare. The development of automated landing systems, advanced sensor technology, and next-generation aircraft like the F-35 Lightning II point towards a future where naval aviation remains at the forefront of military innovation. The debate over the future of naval aviation is not merely a technological one. It is a philosophical one, compelling us to grapple with the evolving relationship between humans and machines in warfare. As the United States Navy charts its course into the 21st century, the legacy of its naval aviators, their courage, skill, and unwavering commitment to duty, will continue to shape the future of naval warfare. The skies above, once dominated by the roar of piston engines and the thunder of jets, may soon be filled with the silent hum of drones, but the spirit of naval aviation, the indomitable spirit of those who dare to push the boundaries of flight, will endure.